Welcome to Chemistry Concepts KVL channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about simple reactions called oxidation and reduction reactions or redox reactions. Now, first we will see the definition of oxidation reaction. If in a reaction, substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen is called oxidation reaction. It is a very simple reaction. For example, 2 moles of copper is reacting with oxygen on heating, which gives copper oxide. Here copper is a metal. This copper substance gains oxygen due to the addition of oxygen to the substance, that is copper substance. Copper getting oxidized and forms copper oxide. Substance gains oxygen, copper substance gains oxygen and forms copper oxide on heating. We will see one more example, that is 2 moles of magnesium is reacting with oxygen on heating, which gives magnesium oxide. Here also substance gains oxygen. Due to the addition of oxygen, magnesium getting oxidized and forms magnesium oxide. These two reactions are in terms of oxygen. So next let's see oxidation in terms of hydrogen. For example, hydrogen sulfide is reacting with chlorine and forms hydrochloric acid and sulfur. So here hydrogen sulfide loses hydrogen and forms sulfur. So this is oxidation in terms of hydrogen. And we will go for next important reaction, that is reduction reaction. If in a reaction substance gains hydrogen or loses oxygen is called reduction reaction. For example, copper oxide is reacting with hydrogen and forms water and copper. Here from copper oxide oxygen is removed and forms copper. So losses of oxygen is called reduction reaction. Due to the removal of oxygen from copper oxide getting reduced to copper, and this is called reduction reaction. From hydrogen to water, the substance gains oxygen and forms water. So here, due to the addition of oxygen to the hydrogen getting oxidized and form as a water. So this is nothing but oxidation reaction. This total reaction shows both oxidation and reduction reactions. Which type of reaction is called redox reaction? Redox reaction in which one substance get oxidized and other substance get reduced simultaneously is called redox reaction. Let's take one more example for redox reaction, which we already seen in oxidation reaction in terms of hydrogen. Here hydrogen sulfide is reacting with chlorine and forms hydrochloric acid and sulfur. Hydrogen sulfide loses hydrogen and forms sulfur, which shows oxidation. Chlorine gains hydrogens, and due to the addition of hydrogen to chlorine, chlorine is getting reduced and formed as a hydrochloric acid, which shows that reduction reaction. So in this reaction, hydrogen sulfide getting oxidized and chlorine substance getting reduced simultaneously is known as redox reaction.